Aspose.Imaging rotate and flip application was designed to help you do various rotation and flip options for your images. The rotate and flip process is fully interactive. First, you need to upload a file or a range of files to the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the files all together. After uploading completes, you can review the uploaded files and optionally cancel some of them for processing. After uploading the file or files, you can configure the various processing options. Those processing options are configured for each one of the uploaded images. You can switch back and forth for configuration of each image individually. You may select to flip the image horizontally or vertically. The applied options could be previewed right away. Image may be rotated in a counterclockwise or clockwise direction. You may also specify a custom conversion angle in case 90 degrees does not fit your needs. Additional options are fit or cut the final image. If you select to cut the image, then the next option, background color, may be useful for you, and you could select another background color for the processed image. You may also select another file format to convert the source images into. Leave this field as default if you want to leave the source file format intact. Please note that this is just a demo showing a subset of features that Aspose.Imaging is capable to perform. You can download the full product for more features, link is at the video description. When you are satisfied with processing options, then you may either download the result directly or specify an email to send the result to. This is especially useful if you have a batch of files to process. We hope that you have found this little tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.